Hello, gorgeous girl. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing something that you have requested so many times over the years, and that is a home tour. Yay! But truly, it's one of the most requested items that you've asked for on this channel. And so you asked, and I'm gonna give it to you. So if you're new here, hello, I'm Tracy. I put up brand new fitness, wellness, and lifestyle videos every single week. If you haven't already, definitely subscribe to my channel. And for everyone, make sure that you click on the bell notification so you always know whenever I have a brand new video that goes live. So this home, it was our first home in Miami. It holds such a special place in my heart because number one, it was where we relocated from New York City, which was a huge move for us. It was the home where I got pregnant. Definitely logged a lot of hours just resting on that couch, especially during my first trimester. And of course, it was our first home with our gorgeous daughter, Luciana. So we will never forget this place ever. And so I want to welcome you into our home. I'm showing you absolutely everything inside of it. It's where I've shot so many of the workouts from Total Body Transformation. And you know, if you follow me on Instagram, which you should, you will always see a lot of my morning views and workouts, but I want to give you the full shebang. And before we dive in, if you like this video and you want to see more sort of behind the scenes and day in the life and lifestyle videos, definitely leave me a comment down below. I read every single one of your comments and I want to know what you want to see next, so definitely let me know. All right, come on in, let's get started, and welcome to my home. Here it is. You guys always ask me for this. So this is my home. We're moving. That's my mask, safety. So we loved living here. This is a little powder bath. Everything is packed up, so it's gonna look weird. This was our kitchen. We had electric, which was not my favorite, to be totally honest, but look at how tall these cabinets are. That was our beautiful kitchen. And something, if you follow me on Instagram, you saw how much I loved my coffee machine. It was great. We have a new one in our new home, but I have no idea how to use it. And then I'll show you our fridge and freezer here. It's enormous. I'm gonna open them both and give you like the full. I mean, I thought we would never, ever in a million years fill this thing up, but you get rid of that city life pretty quick. Look at that, huge. That was like the size of my first apartment in Manhattan. Anyway, it's nice and clean. Aren't we good tenants? Obviously, the piece de resistance is this freaking view, which I will certainly miss. Absolutely gorgeous. Spent a lot of time out here. It's kind of gray today, but beautiful water view. I mean, absolutely stunning, right? We're high. This was the 50th floor. So we're lucky because, you know, a lot of the buildings are much lower than us here. And then, you know, we did many a barbecue there. And then there is a little seating area here. It's a little messy right now. My plant did not want this Miami sunshine, but you see just water everywhere. That's the kitchen. This is our dining room. This is funny. My daughter, we got her these balloons for her birthday. They said Happy V-Day. Her birthday was in August and they're still, but I kind of like that happy. I almost wanted to take it to our new house. So this is our living room. Great, you know, some nice chairs here. When I was pregnant, I basically lived right here, which is like 3 o'clock, done. A few fun facts. Some people would ask me if these were real. No, these were fake. They had real friends next to them. These are not the worst fakes though, but these are some fakies. Fake plants, fakey, fake. So fake plants, and another thing, I hate wires with every ounce of my soul. I hate seeing a wire, so we covered that up. You know, obviously we didn't own this place, but in our new place there will not be a wire to be seen, except for my husband's office, who doesn't care, and I'll just never go in there so I don't lose my mind. And when we rented this place and we moved from New York City, we wanted a furnished place. So this is all the furniture that, you know, we got with it, you know, some art. This is where I used to shoot my TBT. So you see, I didn't have a lot of room. That's why no excuses. Look, it's not that much space, right? So that is that. Then we had a second terrace. So I'll see if I can do this gracefully. Probably won't be able to, but I'll do my very best. And we have another beautiful terrace here. More of Miami vibes here. So, woo, you see lots of buildings below us, but we have an incredible view. The sunset on this side was incredible. But this is the entire length of the apartment. So it's really big, really long. Gucci would come out here and play as long as it wasn't too windy. But the sunset would be, you know, over here-ish, and the sky would just light up and so, so beautiful. So we were very, very lucky because this was such a great transition for us. So there's Miami. That's pretty much all of it. But yeah, this was a great transition for us, moving from New York to kind of still staying in that like building vibe, walkable neighborhood, the whole thing. But, you know, having such a big change in life, but really easing into it. So, come back in. Okay, so here we are. Again, you've seen TBT stuff over here. Then, so nice open floor plan. I feel like a realtor, which I am not, let me tell you. So back to where we started. And then there's this hallway here. And then this is my daughter's bathroom. It has a door on both sides, so you could use it as a, you know, a hallway bathroom if you wanted to. It has, what do they call it, Jack and Jill, but beautiful marble, you know. And then this goes into her room. So let's just back it up. And obviously there's not gonna be anything in here because all her crib and goodies are in her room, but this was my baby's room. Oh. And, you know, beautiful. She had a great view. I was like, you're one lucky girl. And then this was her little closet with all her special clothes. Yeah, this was the baby's room. Not a bad way to start your life, right? And then this is a closet. Nothing exciting to see there. Air conditioning, laundry room. And this was my office. So this was where some of the magic would happen. I've created a lot of things in this office. Great view. I mean, this was fantastic. I really did feel like so much creativity being in this space. That was my little desk. You've seen this many times as a background for Zoom videos or calls, right? Simple, not a huge space, but enough. And because I don't like stuff, I always kept it really clean and neat. So it was great. And then this was our bedroom. So I'll open these all the way. This was our beautiful bedroom. So beautiful floor to ceiling windows. And then when COVID happened, 2019 and 2020, well, I guess it was in 2020. COVID-19 in 2020. You saw me shoot many videos right here out of necessity because my husband was working in the living room. So this was our closet, which is cool, right? But also it was kind of weird. That's me right now. Look at this outfit. I don't know where my pants are, so that's why I'm wearing this weird outfit. So we shared this closet. We're not sharing a closet anymore, girlfriends. Oh no. And then this was our bathroom. Beautiful. I mean, how nice is this? And we had the best light in here. It was great for doing makeup. It was like one of those bathrooms where you just always look amazing. So this was our view. If you're afraid of heights, this is not the place for you. I mean, what? I
I am not, nor is my baby, which is great. But yeah, so this is it. This was our apartment. And now we're moving to a completely new chapter, new phase of life, into living in a home. It's very, very exciting.